So bringing your kids in for their first visit, ask for someone who is most kid friendly with, the most amount of patience in their book out the certain amount of time that they might need. I would also say, even before booking their appointment, I would suggest bringing your child in with you to your services. Just because it's a new environment, it's very loud with the blow dryers, it's a lot of talking, it's a lot of stimulation in the salon. Some will, run to the shampoo bowl because they love getting their hair shampooed at bath time. So it might be something they're eager to get done. One, because they saw mommy get her hair, or dad get their hair washed. Two, because it's their favorite thing to do when they're in the bathtub. Shampoo, either you can do it at home, bring your child in, or you can get a dry cut or shampoo hair at the salon. Know that their first visit might not actually be their first haircut because, it's a new environment. So just have patience. You might not get it done the first time, but at least it's an introduction to their stylist.